Hello guys, probably been waiting for another GG Plays video. Well, I will bring you that video. Last time I used my inner Bob the Builder to make a satisfaction machine. But can I use my inner Bob the Builder to make another thing? So what I did right here is I added a new mod. I added cyclic mod. I also have a new skin that I have. Alright, let's make sure the skin is inputted. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Alright, let's upload it. Let's play the create mod. My create mod that has all the things I want. So we're not going to play in the world. Actually, maybe we will because it's a really good seed. But, alright, come on, downloading. Finalizing. It is loading, okay. No, clap that. I still don't know if this video is gonna be long. This is a big intro, and I don't know if this is gonna be long. Alright. Let's do this, please! Oh, wait. This is another world. This is where I discovered the mechanical thing. Bro, no! There you go. Yeah. It's so loud. Alright, so I've added a new mod, and that is the cyclic mod. So we have things like auto crafters, crafting machine. I think that's an auto crafter. Need some other resources. Alright. Alright, wait. This sounds done. Alright, so now I don't hear it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3 builds. What I want to come out with is I want to come out with a furnace. Like a furnace. Oh, that is easy as, like, but it's actually not that easy. I mean, it's not going to be 3 steps, but if we get deployer, and we put the deployer, actually no, we need the, where is it? The mechanical drill. Put her like this, and we put, I forget what these things are called, a mechanical bearing, yes. There we go, do that, and get a motor. And we get a shaft. and we do that, and need a sticky mechanical piston. So if we do this, so you need to put it back here. Boom. Get a gear. I'll tell you when this is done. It's kind of boring to watch this sticky mechanical piston. Now we need some like piston extension pulls. And now I need a lever. Alright. So now this is good. So I need a lava block. Need a lava, and we need to put some glass around the lava. I want to burn. Actually, the glass is gonna be right here, and then one, two. Sorry, I'm standing up. I'm burping like crazy. So now if we do this, now we get the deployer, and alright, I need to add a little more sticky. I think we need one more. Piston extension pull. Tow it back. Tow it. You need to make it go like super fast. So I need to keep going, and I wonder how we do that. So we can break the motor system. Connect it to a mechanical bearing. You get a motor. Put the motor like this. Oh, we can speed this process up a little bit. Holy cow! Alright, so now we need some hoppers. We need some fancy hoppers. Come on. Right, so that's good. So now they're flowing into the hoppers. Let's do that. Now the hoppers. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make them go onto a conveyor belt. So I think if we get an andesite thing, we can make them go on a conveyor belt. Andesite funnel. I'm gonna make it a little andesite. Alright, there we go. Put it right here. Get a wrench. Get a shaft. I need to put it up to another water elevator. Chef gets a, what's it called? Mechanical. This is not necessary at all, but I'm just doing it so it looks cool. Because it looks. There we go. Here we go. So now, sand, sand, sand right there. Get some glass. Get a piston. Get in a server. Boom, boom. My inner Bob the Builder is calculating. Alright, there we go. Launches these things. Get some hoppers. Auto crafter. Just running into the river. Now we get some cobblestone. And if we run the cobblestone like this, that's good. That'll make a furnace. Now we need a battery. Darn it. Need energy power. How do you make energy power? And put it in here. Solar panel generator. And we get an energy pipe. Battery. Energy cable. And time set day. Guess you can't do that. I mean, let's just pretend it all functions. And going up, it's just filling up with cobblestone. Yeah. So if we pretend that worked, it worked. That's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys all next video. Maybe find some more video. Maybe it'll be Minecraft video and I can install mods that help me have energy transfer stuff. That we can do the create mod and the cyclic mod with, and that we can do more auto crafters with. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching. See y'all next time. Bye.